I've made some changes in the mic and DI packaging as we get ready for the 2025 shows, so I thought I'd do a bit of a mic rack tour here. So right to it, starting with the bottom drawer, DIs. First and foremost are the Whirlwind Imp 2s, sort of the SM58 of the DI world, workhorses. Then there are a few of the Livewire Solutions passive DIs. Then there are a collection of Radial DIs, like the Radial Pro DI, Radial's J48s, which are active DIs, and then the Radial JDIs. Those are the main ones we use. There's also a Countryman Type 85 in here, as well as some other random DIs. Moving up a drawer. These are mostly the drum mics. There are Sennheiser E604 drum mics in here, which mostly gets used on the toms, but sometimes I will use these on a snare drum. Beta 98 tom mics that are rarely used, but they're here. A couple of Shure Beta 52 kick mics are in here. A Shure Beta 91, which is also used as a kick mic. The Shure Beta 91 is the kick in, and the Shure Beta 52 is the kick out, are probably the most requested combo for kick drum. I also have a Shure SM91 in here, which is the predecessor to the Beta 91, as well as a Behringer BA19A, which is their version of the Beta 91 and does a good job itself in that role. Then we have the specialty mics. A couple of Shure Beta 58s, a Beta 56, which is usually a snare mic, but also gets requested as a drum vocal mic sometimes. This drawer has a lot of condensers for hats and overheads. A pair of Shure KSM 32s, a Shure KSM 27, 3 Shure SM 81s, a couple of Shure SM 94s, a couple of Rode Original NT1As, a pair of Behringer SDCs. Also in here is a couple of AKG D112 kick mics, which rarely get used anymore. And back in the corner is an EV ND468 and a Beyer M88. And before I forget, 2 Sennheiser E609 mics, which are great guitar amp mics. That brings us to the meat and potatoes drawer, the SM57 and 58 drawer. By far the most requested mics on the riders that I see. Definitely workhorses. I won't say these Shure mics never break, and you can see one is out for repair with the open hole here, but it's pretty rare. Then the back row is 5 Shure Beta 57 mics, one of the more versatile mics around. If I had to do a show and I was allowed only one type of mic for every vocal and instrument, I'd probably choose the Beta 57. And then finally, most of these mics need clips, so here they are. I also like to keep a few wireless mic clips in here in case an RF mic ends up missing its clip. And plenty of the regular Shure clips, among others. The rack itself is an Odyssey 20 space rack. The drawers are all Penn Fab 18-inch deep drawers. The foam mic inserts are from TCH, and I put risers under the foam to make the foam taller. I'll leave links in the text below for all this stuff and the mics. If you want to see another video on production equipment packaging, here's one to check out. Thanks to the patrons for supporting the channel, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.